So we've done the proportion of percents, but the equation to me is the easiest part because now at this point in your math career, you know how to make a literal translation. And that's all the percent equation is. It's a literal translation. So this stuff is kind of your formula, but we're going to look at more of the words for it. But if you need that formula piece, that's what we're going to write in here. So the percent equation is a quick way to find part of a whole quantity by multiplying the whole by the percent. A part of a whole quantity by multiplying, what am I doing here? By multiplying the whole by the percent written as a decimal. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, it means if I have part is going to equal the whole times the percent, but I have to turn this percent into a decimal, right? You can't put percent into your calculator. So you always have to write it as a decimal so that we can put it into our calculator. That's the reasoning that we have there. So if you look at this, what does of mean in math? It means multiplication. So it's saying 12% of 90. I have to make percent a decimal, so it's 0.12 times 90. It is a literal translation. Of means multiplication. 0.12 of 90. And so when I multiply that, I get 10.8. Okay? Now, I love this right here because is means equal. So it's saying what? What is my x? What is 27% written as a decimal of 28? That is a literal translation. What is 27% of 28? And so when I multiply 0.27 times 28, I get 7.56. And that's my answer. Okay? Let's do some more of these together. And if you want to work ahead and then use my video to see how we're doing, that's fine too. But let's look at 5, 7, and 9. So now it says, find 2%, which is 0.02 of 138. So 2% of 138, and when I multiply those, I get 2.76 is my answer. Okay, look at number 7. It says, Kate spent 23% of her last paycheck on groceries. If she made $908, how much did she spend on groceries? Well, 23% of her paycheck, of her last paycheck. Her last paycheck was $908. So 23% of 908, and that would give me $208.84. And you can use a calculator on this. That's why I am cheating by looking at the paper. All right, here's what number 9 says. It says there were 80 golfers in the first round of a tournament. Of the 80, 62.5% qualified for the next round. How many did not? Well, first we need to see how many did qualify. So of the 80, 62.5% qualified. So 80 times 0.625. This is who qualified. So when I do 80 times 0.625, that gives me 50. These are the ones that qualified. My question's asking, did not qualify. Well, if there was a total of 80, 50 qualified, how many didn't qualify? Well, the other 30. 30 did not qualify. Okay? So if you have questions, make sure you are coming to see me.